Good morning. I stand before you today to express my heartfelt gratitude and appreciation for our beloved teacher, Sir Ahmad Saeed. As we all know, teachers play a crucial role in shaping our lives, and Sir Ahmad Saeed has truly been an exceptional guide and mentor to all of us. Sir Ahmad Saeed has not only imparted knowledge but has also instilled in us values and life lessons that extend far beyond the classroom. Their dedication, commitment and passion for teaching are evident in every lesson they deliver and every interaction they have with us. What sets Sir Ahmad Saeed apart is their unwavering belief in the potential of each student. They see the unique qualities in every one of us and encourage us to reach for the stars. Sir Ahmad Saeed has not just been a teacher, they have been a source of inspiration, pushing us to strive for excellence and to never give up on our dreams. In addition to being a great educator, Sir Ahmad Saeed is also a compassionate and empathetic individual. They have always been there to lend a listening ear, provide guidance and offer support when we needed it most. Their caring nature has created a warm and welcoming classroom environment where we feel safe to express our thoughts and ideas. Sir Ahmad Saeed has made learning a joyful experience for us. They have a unique way of making even the most complex topics seem easy to understand. Their enthusiasm for their subject matter is contagious and it has sparked a genuine interest and curiosity in all of us. As we prepare to move forward in our educational journey, we carry with us the knowledge and wisdom imparted by Sir Ahmad Saeed. Their impact on our lives goes far beyond the classroom, and the lessons we have learned from them will continue to guide us in our future endeavors. On behalf of all the students, I want to say a heartfelt thank you to Sir Ahmad Saeed for their unwavering dedication, their passion for teaching, and the positive influence they have had on our lives. You have not only been a teacher but a mentor, a role model, and a friend. In conclusion, let us take a moment to appreciate Sir Ahmad Saeed for their incredible contributions to our education and personal growth. We are truly fortunate to have had the opportunity to learn from such a remarkable teacher. Thank you, Sir Ahmad Saeed, for everything you have done for us. Please join me in giving Sir Ahmad Saeed a round of applause. Thank you.